Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to download OkCupid app in your Android. So let's get started. At first let's get into Play Store app. So here it is. Now in the search bar in the top, search for OkCupid. Here we can see this OkCupid app is not available in my region. Now if this is available in your region, you can simply click on install button that will appear over here to download the app. Let's try for another app as an example. So let's go for this one, and here we can see this install button over here. Simply tap on this and it's installing. Installation process can take few minutes. We need to wait till then. So now you can simply open it. You can follow the same method for installing OkCupid app as well. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.